Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This market has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it has gotten to this resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so right from there it's starting a downtrend from there, and of course we needed to break out below this support zone. Okay, we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below that support zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 started an uptrend from this support zone, and of course it kept on going up and up, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, tried out a downtrend but was unable to go more than this. Okay, and of course guys, it started it's going back on uptrend to see if it will be able to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into a downtrend fully. So for now, this is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on uptrend right from here, got to this region and played around there for a while. If it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then definitely we should experience more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out from this support zone. So for now, we hope that it sells more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, crash 500 started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a pullback and went back up to break out from this resistance zone, and of course it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely guys, it's going to go back on downtrend fully. So we should expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone, that is when it will buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend from here and we got our entry point signal right from here, got to this region, had a major pullback, went back there again and had another pullback. This time around broke out from there, and of course it is still selling. This selling might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so we should take note of that guys. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.